The question is, how do you take a screen recording and get it onto the SD card of the DJI controller? So what I do is I click on Files, I go to Movies, I choose the screen that, say I want to take this one here. I hold my finger down on it. Let's say I want these two copied. I can copy or remove them. I usually copy them. Copy to. And now I choose disk. And I just usually put it on the DCM. I hit copy. And it's copying them. So that is how you do it, and then you eject. I shut it down, remove the little SD card, put it in my computer, go to DCIM, and grab the screen copy. Have a great day.